Lamborghini Revuelto 2025, the future of supercars. Hybrid V12 engine, 1001 HP. 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.5 seconds. Top speed, 350 km per hour. All-wheel drive with electric boost. This beast combines a powerful V12 with electric motors, making it faster and more efficient than older Lamborghinis. The aggressive design, fighter jet cockpit, and next-level aerodynamics make it one of the best supercars of 2025. The wait is over. Lamborghini has just unleashed its most powerful and futuristic supercar ever, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto. A machine that blends raw V12 power with cutting-edge hybrid technology, making it the ultimate beast on the road. Buckle up, because this is not just a car. It's a revolution, power and performance. Under the hood, the Revuelto packs a 6.5L naturally aspirated V12 engine, paired with 3 electric motors, producing a mind-blowing 1,001 horsepower. This monster launches from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds and reaches a top speed of 350 km per hour. That's pure adrenaline on wheels. Design and aerodynamics. Lamborghini never disappoints when it comes to design. The Revuelto features an aggressive, jet-inspired body with sharp edges and extreme aerodynamics. The iconic Y-shaped headlights and scissor doors scream Lamborghini DNA, while the lightweight carbon fiber chassis ensures maximum performance, technology and interior. Inside, it's a fighter jet on wheels. The cockpit is fully digital, with a 12.3-inch driver display, a massive touchscreen, and even voice control. The Revuelto also introduces advanced driving modes, allowing you to switch between electric, hybrid, and full-performance V12 power with just a tap. Why it's a game-changer? This isn't just another Lamborghini, it's the future of supercars. With hybrid technology, extreme performance, and unmatched design, the Revuelto sets a new benchmark in the world of hypercars. Call to action. So, what do you think about the Lamborghini Revuelto 2025?